Calamari rings and potatoes are a delightful dish that combines the taste of the sea with the simplicity of the earth. Here is a recipe with an Italian twist. Remember, for the best result, use fresh calamari and quality potatoes. Here's how to proceed. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh calamari, 3-4 medium potatoes, flour as needed for dusting the calamari, extra virgin olive oil for frying, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh parsley, optional, for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. Preparation: start by cleaning the calamari. Remove the head, innards, and cartilaginous quill inside the body. Rinse them well under running water, peeling off the outer skin if necessary. Cut the calamari bodies into rings about 1 to 2 centimeters thick. Dry the calamari rings thoroughly with paper towels. Place the flour on a plate and lightly dust the calamari rings, making sure to shake off any excess flour. In the meantime, wash the potatoes and cut them into sticks or thin slices, depending on your preference. Make sure they are well dried. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a pan or deep fryer until it reaches a temperature of about 180 degrees Celsius. Fry the potatoes until they are golden and crispy. Once fried, transfer them to paper towels to remove excess oil and season them lightly with salt. Fry the calamari rings for 1 to 2 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches if necessary. Transfer these to paper towels as well and lightly salt them. Plate the fried calamari rings and potatoes, sprinkled with chopped parsley if desired, and serve with lemon wedges. Curiosity: calamari are highly appreciated in Italian cuisine, especially in Mediterranean dishes. It's important not to overcook them, otherwise they can become rubbery. The contrast between the crispiness of the potatoes and the tenderness of the calamari creates a perfect match for an appetizer or a flavorful second course. In Italy, especially in the summer, it is common to find this dish in beach chalets or seafood restaurants.